I don't feel like I'm in a good position right now. That's better. Look at my new clothes. Now. And this is not a fun activity that you can do at home because I'm just celebrating and thanking you for all getting me to 1,000 subscribers! Yay!
A few inches later.
And now, if you want to win one of this, but there will only be a few, so just comment down below whether you want it and why. And I will pick a random subscriber.
A few minutes later.
I was wondering how many channels had 1,000 subscribers. I Google search on Google, then go to Wonder, then asked it how many channels had 1,000 subscribers. And it was saying at least 76,000 channels. I thought there was 1 million because there are more than 1 trillion people in the world. I was so surprised. And because of you, I'm one of them! Yay!
A few moments later.
And I know some that has more than 1,000 subscribers. It is Alan Walker for music and Marshmallow. Games, it is Scrapman. Minecraft is Preston and Unspeakable, but they also do live things. What I'm gonna do next is games, but I'm not so good at it yet.
2,000 years later.
So when I first started, I felt like I did very, very lazy and uncool things. What? When I watched it, I was like, bruh. Then after that, one time, suddenly, I just like got this thing. Then after that, that's when I did my snow globe and Monopoly, Chinese New Year Monopoly. I felt like I was getting better, then after that, sometimes my video get worse, sometimes it get better. It like goes all over the place. Right now, I got 30 videos. That's a lot to me. Normally, channels take about 3 to 4 years or sometimes less. And I'm so lucky I got it in less than a year. I was so surprised. And if you're wondering what my journey felt like, I would explain to you right now in this video. And stay tuned to find out. Okay, so when I first started, you could see my worst videos ever that I ever made. No edited, nothing. You can scroll all the way down. It was the worst things ever. And then after that, my first good video was the snow globe. You remember, if you are tuned, you would see snow globe, then my Chinese New Year Monopoly set. Oof! Look, the dragon dance head. My favorite. But I'm gonna do Monopoly Go Green in the next video. I might. I don't feel like I'm in a good position right now. That's better. Look at my new clothes. Now. And if you want to see what's inside this box, you can go look at my video in the link in the description below. Yay! And now I have to clean up. Bye! Now, can you please help me get 4,000 watch hours? But don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button so you never miss another video. But one more thing, you can comment down below whether you have been watching my videos.